A revolutionary new technology called Google Gemini is poised to shake up the world of generative AI. In this video, we'll delve into everything you need to know about Gemini, from its inner workings to its potential applications that could transform various aspects of our lives. Buckle up and prepare to discover the future of AI. The field of AI has been witnessing a fierce competition, with giants like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini leading the charge. Today, we're finally getting a glimpse into what this powerhouse AI can do. And let me tell you, it's nothing short of shocking. One of Gemini's most impressive capabilities is its ability to process and understand information from various modalities. Unlike traditional language models that solely rely on text, Gemini can analyze images, videos, and even audio, providing a much richer and nuanced understanding of the world around it. Imagine describing a complex scientific concept, and Gemini not only comprehending the text, but also analyzing relevant visuals to solidify its grasp. This multimodal prowess opens doors to exciting possibilities in various fields, from education and healthcare to creative content generation.
Here we go. Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table. I see a squiggly line.
What about now?
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yes.
A duck is a type of waterfowl in the family Anatidae. Ducks are closely related to geese and swans. The duck appears to be blue. This is not a common color for ducks. However, there are some breeds of blue ducks. These are typically not as common as other duck breeds. It is more common for ducks to be brown, black, or white.
Are you sure?
What the quack? I was just talking about a blue duck, and now you're holding one. It looks like blue ducks are more common than I thought.
Would this float?
I'm not sure what material it's made of, but it looks like it might be rubber or plastic.
What if I tell you it's making a squeaking sound?
Oh, if it's squeaking, it's definitely going to float.
Nice.
It is a rubber duck. It is made of a material that is less dense than water.
Can you teach me how to say this in a different language? And give me a few options. Ooh, can you explain how to pronounce the Mandarin one? Is it Yazi?
Yazi
is pronounced with a first tone. In Mandarin, there are 4 tones, which are essential to distinguish the meaning of words. The first tone is a high-level tone.
Oh, okay.
The duck is in the middle of the ocean. There is no land nearby for the duck to rest or find food. It is unlikely to find ducks here naturally.
Okay, based on what you see, come up with a game idea. Oh, and use emojis, please.
How about this? We can play a game called Guess the Country.
Sure, let's do it.
Clue 1. This country is the home of the kangaroo, the koala, and the Great Barrier Reef.
Oh, that's easy.
Clue 2. This country loves football and has won the most men's World Cups in football history. You are trying to get me to find the paper ball under the cup. I accept the challenge. The cup to the left.
Nice.
I know what you're doing. You're playing rock, paper, scissors.
What do you see now?
The fingers are spread out to look like the wings of a butterfly.
What's this?
Big ear and barking mouth. A dog.
Sweet.
The coin should be under the right hand.
I don't know.
The coin is in the left hand using a sleight of hand technique to make it appear as if the coin has disappeared. Both objects are round and flat.
There you go.
Now let's talk about the numbers. While official benchmarks are still under wraps, early reports suggest that Gemini is outperforming its competitors on various tasks, from generating different creative text formats to answering complex factual questions. Gemini seems to be pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. It's important to remember that benchmarks are just one piece of the puzzle, but these initial indications are certainly promising. It aims at reasoning and problem solving. Gemini isn't just about spitting out impressive statistics. It possesses advanced reasoning and problem-solving abilities, allowing it to tackle complex challenges that require logical thinking and creative solutions. Imagine presenting Gemini with a real-world scenario. like optimizing traffic flow in a city. It can analyze data, identify patterns, and propose innovative solutions that traditional AI models might struggle with.
As a parent, you may have to help your kid with their homework. I've certainly had to. Here's where Gemini can help. For this demo, we've created a simple interface, and with some clever prompting under the hood, we can really leverage Gemini's math, reasoning, and multimodal capabilities to learn a subject like physics. With Gemini, you can upload a photo of handwritten answers on a worksheet. Not only can Gemini solve these problems, but this is the amazing part. It can read the answers and understand what was right and what was wrong, and explain the concepts that need more clarification. So Gemini identified some mistakes with problems 1 and 3 here. Let's take a look at 3. Here, Gemini identifies that the formula was correct, but there was a mistake in calculating height. We can ask Gemini to explain in more details why the height is 50 meters instead of 6. I can ask Gemini to explain further. Here, Gemini explains the step-by-step details to solving the problem. Because of Gemini's ability to understand nuanced information and answer questions relating to complicated topics, it can give you a customized explanation of the subject you're trying to learn. And lastly, if you want to learn more, you can just ask. Gemini will provide personalized practice problems based on mistakes. Here I have a similar problem where I have to figure out the cat's speed, where the height of the ramp is double. Oh yeah, I knew that.
But Gemini's talents extend beyond the realm of language and logic. It demonstrates a remarkable understanding of mathematical and scientific concepts. This opens doors to groundbreaking applications in various fields, from assisting researchers in scientific discovery to personalizing educational experiences for students.
2, on the same platform as the original Alpha code, we solve almost twice as many problems.
Gemini on its own has the ability to transform software development as we understand it.
Based on their design, which of these would go faster?
The car on the right would be faster. It is more aerodynamic.
But safety and responsibility has to be built in from the beginning.
And that has oriented us to be both bold and responsible together.
A recent technical report offers some insights into Gemini's architecture and training process. This report highlights the use of novel techniques like attention mechanisms and transformers, which contribute to its impressive capabilities.
Just like this one, telling Gemini exactly what to look for. With its advanced reasoning capabilities, Gemini was able to distinguish between papers that were relevant to the study and those that weren't. For the relevant papers, we wrote a similar prompt, asking Gemini to read the paper and extract the key data for us. We could even ask Gemini to add annotations. This showed us exactly where in the paper Gemini found the information. We ran this at scale. And over a lunch break, Gemini read 200,000 papers for us, filtered it down to 250, and extracted their data. So now we have a refreshed version of this data set. But because Gemini is multimodal, not only can it reason about information from text, it can also reason about figures. So let me show you something really neat. With our refreshed data set, we can now ask Gemini to update a graph from the original study. We first gave Gemini a screenshot of this figure. Then we asked it to generate the code required to plot it. And by feeding this code our new data set, we get our updated figure. You can see that this figure now includes data up until 2023.
So Taylor used Gemini to search a large corpus of literature for relevant papers and extract key information from these papers, as well as update figures.
The future of Gemini is shrouded in some secrecy, but the potential applications are truly mind-boggling. Imagine AI assistants that not only understand your words, but also grasp the context and emotions behind them. Imagine educational tools that tailor learning to individual student needs, or scientific breakthroughs facilitated by AI8's powerful problem-solving abilities. The possibilities are endless, and Gemini represents a significant leap forward in realizing these possibilities. X inclusion. Google's Gemini is undoubtedly a game changer in the world of AI. Its multimodal capabilities, advanced reasoning, and deep understanding of various domains position it as a front-runner in the race for AI supremacy. While ethical considerations and responsible development remain crucial aspects of this technology, Gemini's potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives is undeniable. What are your thoughts on Gemini and its potential impact? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay amazed by the ever-evolving world of AI.